Hey everybody, so I got a quick tool haul to do from Lowe's Home Improvement. We got some router stuff, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up some router stuff at Lowe's today. Harbor Freight did not have any of the large, I think 18 or 15 piece, I think it was an 18 piece router bit set. I was happened to be at Lowe's, going towards Lowe's anyways. I stopped in Lowe's and I picked up some items. This is a 30 piece 1/4 inch router bit set made by Skil. This set was on sale for $69 instead of the $159 it usually is. So I picked it up. It rang up as $69. I also picked up this compact sub base by MilesCraft. And I also picked up this base plate bushing set by MilesCraft as well. This 30 piece router bit set, it fits all Skil 1/4 inch collet routers and other major brand 1/4 collet routers. Compatible, oh, that's in Spanish. This is item number 91030. Comes in a nice wooden style box. This is the information it has on the back. 1/4 inch, 1 flute, 2 flute, 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, and 3/4 for straight. 1/2 inch for hinge mortising. 1/4 inch for panel pilot. 1/4 inch for V-groove. 1/4 inch and 3/8 for core box. 1/2 inch round nose. 1/2 inch classic. 1/8 ovolo. 3/8 and 1/2 inch dovetail. It's got a 3/8 keyhole. 1/4 inch laminate trim. 1/8, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 roundover. 3/16, 1/4 inch and 5/16 cove. 5/32 and 1/4 inch Roman OG or OG. 1/8 cove and bead. Has a 45-degree chamfer bit as well as a 3/16 rabbiting bit. That's what it comes with. The base plate bushing set is product number 1201. It's got a check mark on there. Turn lock, fast tool free bushing and routing attachment exchanges, which is also nice because I didn't use the bushings I got from Harbor Freight for this guy right here. Includes top hat bushing adapter. Convert metal bushing into turn lock quick change bushing, which are those brass bushings I got from Harbor Freight. This is item 1201. I also picked up this compact sub base, which is item 1225. Compact router accessory for edge routing, template routing, mortise routing, and more. Mortise pins included. I got the edge guide by MilesCraft from Home Depot for jigsaws and routers, or jigsaws and circular saws, I believe is what it was for. You might be able to use it on routers if you have that attachment base. Comfort grip handles, 360 rotating handles for maximum comfort while routing. Accept standard bushings. Compatible with standard 1 3/16, 30.2 millimeter diameter bushings. Mortise pins includes 2 mortise pins for cutting mortises in your workpiece. There are 2 mounting locations depending on the thickness of your material. Adjustable mounting inserts. So we're going to do a unboxing in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.